The chemical industry is a key contributor to the world economy and very important for the economy of a country. This industry, which produces over 80,000 products, contributes to almost every sector. Most of the products we use in our daily life are related to the chemical industry in some way or the other. In India, the chemical industry is not only one of the oldest domestic industries, but also one of the fastest growing, with growth shifting from the Western markets to the Asia-Pacific and favorable consumer industries like construction, automotive, tire and agrochemicals. India holds a lot of promise for the chemical industry. Business operations of Lanxess are built on its tradition and experience. We enjoy a unique position as a young yet experienced player in the industry. While maintaining its roots in Germany, Lanxess has built a strong international presence. From the time of its inception in India, we have been successful in creating a dedicated team that conducts business across a wide spectrum of application industries. Our team drives customer success with premium products, innovation, and world-class technical expertise. With a conducive work environment that promotes learning and growth, our employees in India enjoy the benefits of a truly international work culture.
Well, it's my first visit to Germany and I love the place. It's brilliant. And the atmosphere out here is absolutely crazy. I'm looking forward to good football today.
From a technology standpoint, Lanxess follows a world-class approach that has opened doors for my learning and development as well. Here, I could put to use my technical knowledge effectively to drive the business through better customer support.
I got an opportunity to start young at Lanxess. While the organization helped me to build my functional and technical skills, it entrusted upon me with various responsibilities as and when the time came. It has been a very great learning experience out here, serving people internationally, sitting here in our own Indian site.
While training with the international team at Lanxess, I could experience different cultures and different way of work. It was interesting to learn how people from diverse nationalities manage work situations, and it definitely helped me widen my understanding about the best practices at work.
I was fortunate to be employed by Lanxess just after my management program completed at the Inter-German Training Center. At Lanxess, I first trained at the group function corporate development, after which I moved into the marketing team of a business unit. Here at Lanxess, I've been able to realize my training into experience.
Lanxess in India has grown steadily, backed by the company's German technical expertise, global network, and most importantly, the huge opportunity that the Indian market presents. This would not have been possible without the most important asset, our employees. With several Lanxess India employees having been trained in Germany and many expatriates working with us in India, we truly represent the Indo-German Connect.